Hi, how you doing? Welcome back to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, we're going to make this chicken potato stew. Really easy, really fast. Nothing to it really, but delicious. Look at that. Really, really good. Okay, let's get straight into this one. So today we're going to get straight in on this one. I've got my pan here and I've got some oil in there. I'm using olive oil and I've got 1 kg of chicken. The chicken has got its skin on and bone in. We're going to get this in. We're on a medium heat. And what I want us to do is just throw this around in the pan for about 6 minutes. Just the chicken by itself. Get a nice bit of colour on it and get it on its way. So a nice bit of colour on the chicken, obviously nowhere near cooked. Now what we're going to do is drop in a nice tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 sliced onion. I'm using red, you could use a different colour if you want. I'm then going to add a little bit of dried rosemary, same amount, like a teaspoon of oregano, and the same amount of thyme. Salt, black pepper, and stay on this lively heat. Keep it moving now and I'll be back in about 3 minutes. Fabulous stuff. I'm now going to add in 1 carrot chopped, some green beans and some potatoes. So we're like 4 regular sized potatoes there, 1 carrot and a cup of green beans. If you wanted, add things like celery, parsnips, some other sort of root veg, mushrooms, up to you where you want to go with it really. I'm just going to go with these 3 vegetables. And again, stay on this lively heat for about another 3 or 4 minutes, stirring every now and then, and I'll be back. We're nearly done really. All the hard work is already done. Absolutely wonderful. Next up we're going to drop in some stock. I've got a chicken stock here, in it goes. And I've got like 1 pint or 500 ml. And turn the heat down to a real nice low simmer now. Really, really nice and gentle. We're going to get a lid on that and I'm going to be back in 25 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then if you like. Okay then, let's turn the heat off. Let's get the lid off. And that looks lovely. It's thickened nicely. Now, if that's still not as thick as you'd like it, what you could do is get a couple of teaspoons of corn flour or cornstarch, which is the same thing, by the way. Put it in there and it'll really thicken it up, but I'm happy there. What you need to do is grab a knife and check your potatoes. They're good, look at that. See, they're falling apart nice and soft. Check that for salt and pepper. I think it's going to be fine. We added salt and pepper and stock. Usually it's quite salty, isn't it? That's a beauty. What a lovely little easy super duper chicken and potato stew. Sorry, I'm going mad. Stew. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you very soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.